How to buy Brawl Pass with Apple Pay. Now, this is a very easy and quick method. The first things first is you just have to make sure that you have already set it up your Apple Pay from your phone. Now, once you have set up your Apple Pay, then all you have to do is just go directly to shop and make sure that you're logged into your Brawl Stars account. So as you can see, there is actually a bunch of options right here for you to be able to use a real cash for this game. You can even purchase gem packs, XP doublers, and of course, it is not gonna be for free. So if you wanted to use your Apple Pay, the very first thing that you have to check is make sure that you already set it up your Apple Pay as one of the payment method from any of the platforms that is requiring for payment from your device. Now, once you have set it up, just simply press on Brawl Pass and choose on your preferred pass if it's going to be a regular pass or a Brawl Pass Plus. So if we choose on, for example, the cheapest one right here, we will now then be redirected to one of our payment methods from Google Pay. So if you've already set it up your Apple Pay, then it should show right here. So one of the options is your payment method. So you'll just have to change it to Apple Pay and make sure that you double check on the certain amount or the price from the past you will purchase, and just simply tap on buy and you can now enjoy the Brawl Pass that you purchase. So that's it. That's how you use your Apple Pay to purchase a Brawl Pass and Brawl Stars.